if uthola umuntu enza zona uzoyiramsha ayiramsha bekesha mathatha ukuyiramsha nje hayi if uthola umuntu abazaziyo angifuni nje vula ka cala nje no uzolimaza
choose mangabe bamchoosisa kuzobe kunabantu obvious uzochoose again but uyazi kahle ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe kuphi hayi yanyiwa no I feel like gents like they uzothini like naman zithande kaya ngithanda uyayazi into oyifunayo mara usifihla ngogela cabanga udla umntana abantu umdlilo ngokulosoloko nje umdlilo utabane ngani nani ngiyavuma ukuthi bafisa ukutabane ngani
cabanga
thina sondlela
guys manifuna ukuyifihla coka amaphinto abantwana bakini ngizoyifihleka
What of the day? Gay child, live your life to the fullest.
Gossip Gay Stories. Up next.
Hey guys, what's popping? My name is Opie O'Brien. The most talked about gay gossip. So I'm here with Itawani Masdareni. So I'm gonna give them the opportunity to introduce themselves. Let's start there.
Hi babies, it's your favorite gay kid, Raven.
Hi guys, it's your favorite girl, Yolanda Betty. What's up?
Hi guys, it's a girl from Bobby, you know most. Hey guys, it's a girl Sposh Mamizi Asambe.
So guys, me as Masita Wani Masdareni, kanyiwa.
Ezingakapo.
So today basically guys, we're going to talk about next time I'm out of topics.
Meeting.
Hi guys, today's guys, we're gonna talk about the day that we were together and can get
I'm going to start by me guys name. How I got into how I met those two social media guys name, especially on Raven was the first time. Man, I was too drunk.
You were very drunk.
No, so because like I was being totally intense.
Walk, chilling.
So yeah, guys, Osbosh anyways, we never got so joyed up, but she went home. I was like so sad. I will.
No, guys, they think being on joiner, but like it's key as I get between. So mang feeling mama mati abang ngambaki back phone. So I went to my other friend's party.
No, we're winning now.
So Raven, will we have it? And I just look at you, guy. One answer, Raven.
Yes, going to in the day. I was with my friends. Abasikas, obvious. Spend good to say NT2. Must be NT2. Our girl, but tini. I didn't have enough money for my ticket. But for Nuclear Benzo. And I mean, Nize NT2. Benkies and Shatano Pripalesa, Alogati, Umele Ukatla Kwazumland. Sharp. Banging NT Ela Benzo. Naslana no Hano. Naslana no Hano, no Lati. Quite a figure when I get. Mafia, Saba on Chum.
Saba on the guy.
But I wasn't sure. So then talk to me TV busy. It's more figure.
Madam Slana Chum is slanging a band. The time
you can't go figure
it. I'm up here. You are like Awangini. So like the meaning of who's you.
Come on, so
Marasange and Asham.
You right.
So I wanna ask what's nice. The question is, what do you mostly enjoy go groove?
I'm jiving, guys.
Come on, nothing.
Azab.
Mina enjoy Bafana Sham.
Yeah.
Bafana one way, yeah.
Guys, you think enjoy any? It's doing MC. I like. It's Azab.
Yo, minam chavini siya minamingila yo ngifuna bangibone kahle kahle ngifuna bangibheke and every time I'm chavini make sure ukuthi new outfit girl I
awudina bola kazini na mavish Azi. Uyalwa.
Kanjani?
Kamnandi kanjani? Kanjani?
Shomi wena.
Yo guys mina ngingakhofi
Yo.
Shoma ukhalile.
ngiyakhalela kabuhlungu
Yo, manje chomi wami yo window.
one day ngizophuma ela kithi like kulama battle so
Yo, uzophuma ngomnyaka uyophatha isikhipa. Sibabalekisini.
Jinyango. Mara nge-27 si-on.
Manje.
Si-on nge-27 azili nabo. Goed. Sibasapha beteka adi ziyathi kidle.
Yo,
Zi-on.
mhlawumbe sibe khona ke sushana.
Content.
Like honestly, I think we out of topic.
Si-on.
Are we out of our topic though? Are we out
We.
of topic?
Okay.
And I feel like we.
Guys, mina ke ineskat.
Mhm.
I think I remember my fish.
Betty.
That's me like text about the dab.
Hi po.
No, Jomi.
Chungwe nungcono.
Yeah, and I'm about text. And I'm saying, yo wena.
Mina khona le fish.
Bayasaba.
Uthi mina ngifuna umuntu wakhe lapho umuntu wakhe ngifuna yo.
Yeah, I was like machulu mabathi kunama after 9.
Ngiyazofana ngisho. Futhi loyo nje ngazuyehla ngathazithi.
Uzuthu ujona nama after 9.
Masa
Like Jomi, that's why kunama after 9 ne. Ngizothini idaba ngizashisa.
bro.
No, itawa nishisa mazdabing. Mazinama fish yo.
Babosha machane.
Nami manginamafishi. Emanto nabheka mina. Na
Awu.
Make sure.
Ini istabeke bangisifakile see through sisi. Uzongibheka. Yakubona le address bengiqhule nje bese out. Hey! Money. Hayi. Jobi.
That's it, man.
Money.
There's no way sizogeza bese
Hayibo.
not even one
Mina nefishi
song.
kumele bangibheke inyanye. It's
Guys.
Uyangimoshela. Yo.
Yo, guys mara.
Chimla-
Side indeni.
Azili nama vision ngoba like masingalwa nawo so batrapa ngenye ihits.
Ngabhlungu ngisabaqeda. Nganje.
Hayibo.
Kuyaliwa kangithi no, akuliwa. Sayitshela. Phela nje.
Ngine bangacabanga ukuthi silwa nabo ngoba like
Asidwe.
danke
Asidwe sham.
Sesiyasho nje ukuthi amadodelo.
Pasali yazi.
fasta yabona mabathi fasta ama
So ngicabanga so share ugirl ashare indoda ngestabani.
Yo.
Iyenzeka.
And it's happening.
Iyenzeka la ngaphandle. Yo,
So askisi
Jomi
guys.
the thing ukuthi mabathi like maseshare uguy maybe jothi mina no girls share uguy like into engibhokayo ukuthi uguy angeke abe interested to kimi mabathi maka choose.
No, choba ukuthi makachoose. Mangabe bamchoose kuzobe kunabantu obvious uzochoose again. But uyazi kahle ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe kuphi. Ayi, yanyiwa no. I feel like gents like they muzothini like naman zithande kaya ngizalo uyayazi into oyifunayo mara usifihla ngogel cabanga udla umntana abantu umdlile lo soloko nje umdlile ufika utabane ngani nani ngiyavuma ukuthi bafisa utabane ngani
Cabanga.
thina sondlela.
Guys, mina ngine question for Leitabani ne. Okay, Raven. Okay, how was your experience with the guy first time?
Yo.
First time with the guy.
Yo sham. Babe. Yo ayafana babhlungu yo. Mara bamnandi.
Babnanda bafana. Okay, Vanilla
No, man, I got my
babe.
first time with the guy. It was painful, but then because he knew what he was doing, he knew what he was doing. That's why he abused me. He knew that it's so good, and yeah, it was a one-time thing. But then it
Brown
was
Fabi.
acho miyazi ngijiji
Chumi maka wijiji. Mamela friend. Okay, jabu ni like nyaga explain la man. Okay, as pig wijiji. Mara like kissing a boy. How do you
okay like
pretty vibe dali?
I feel
Why we?
indlela eziningi
hayi kutsho mlami ngijiji phela so
Nawe
ukuthi
Lami ngichithi manje.
Angitshitho.
Nisaphatha kanje nina. Manje ufuna ukwazi njengoba nisavile kanje yini ufuna ukumemulo.
Jana bachithi.
okay
What if we save and yabantu?
mina atsho mangibathi ngikutshela why ngisakhuluma naye vele ithi bo that's why like
Taste, don't have to taste though. He has to taste. Maka taste uzokhuluma ukuthi okay sharp.
ngisho mimaka like ngiyazifila man like ngistuff sikusekisi man istuff sifulelwe like
Hayi mina ngiyazazi ke.
ngisho manje ke
Gorilla crepe.
okay usaseyijiji OB O'Brien
Oh, mina ngugoma. Guys, mina ngugoma like you, mara it's painful guys, won't lie, but if uthola umuntu enza zona uzoyiramsha. Ayiramsha. Okay, sha, mathe ukuyiramsha nje. Hayi if uthola umuntu abazaziyo angifuni nje vula ka. Cala nje. No, uzongimaza.
okay nami ngiyazibuza okay mina ne guys nothing first time guy ne nothing I had a fun like ngifeel guy enjoy like ungiphila amadlweni nhlanhla lakha lokungafuna nje bona ayije maka azgizi jine ungitshela makubhlungu hayi angibi nje mina angibi makubhlungu like take a breath go back wena nje mangangizange ngivuni uqhubeke nami ngizocubeka baningi ngaphandle kanjani hayibo
So I wanna ask, what's the worst thing that happened at night? Most nje.
Yo, mina was almost raped.
Yo.
Sikhuluma kwari ngicabanga. Asikonzakalani. There's this girl. Bekaqala ukufika ekhasi ne. Ubuye Orange Farm. And sonke siyazikonzakala Orange Farm. Hey. Stiyekela.
vele
So ugel makafika la. Kusho ukuthi labo gel laba like makafuna ibhiya. Wenza noma yini. Ugel utshela uGuy ukuthi thenga ibhiya uzohamba no Raven. Mina ngazi uGuy lokuyathenga bayaphuza. Angiphuzi nokuphuza baphuza iblack angiphuzi bayaphuza sharp. Mase kumele sihambe uyangilanda uGuy. Ucala uyangilandela mangendlini uyangilandela. Yebo yini manje ngihambe vele sharp ngisho ibhomba. Ungene kithi hayibo nangumuntu egedini yini wena ungitshela ukuthi ungana wakho uthenga ethi mina khona usikhuluma ngomjwala yo ngiyatshela uGuy wangidonsa ngama happies sathina ama braids athi manje ngokuhlangisa sikuspend imali engaka khona le ntombazana kanje singazwani mina naye silela indoda sharp asizwani ne uGuy maqeda ukungibamba zange memeza igama laka girl lapha sizwa
hayi cha usekusike
so at night ay ngenza sure ukuthi mangingikwarini ngihamba nomuntu ayengihamba ngiyi-one because plus yabona mangibhekele basibonela nje full pack chicken
uyayazi uma bathi silenda masilenda rice
lapho le boring bayasho ukuthi yo manje umuntu sekafika la udisappointed uthi hayibo kanti ke bese kufuna ukwenza bese snacks so nje I never walk alone.
Baby.
I mean, the worst thing that happened at night, there was this guy. Okay, I mean, I always getting as Sunday creepy, you know. I'm always that girl. I'm always it together. So, imagine you have I went to go buy something, you know. Manghamba, there's this guy. He's following me, right? So I'm like, okay, it's a complex. I'm going to my phone. So I'm going to I'm outside the complex actually. Basically, outside the complex. So he followed me and he was like, looked at him and I was like, no. I said, Utsini. Yeah. That's food. What? I guess what? That's it. Put the food. Yendli di bang tumile. Oh, ungahambe so ngizokubamba. Yo, that thing told me.
akusukufika
bobuye emkhenkereshweni ngaleso
Choma ngiyothenga bangithuma ibisi Chomi badli.
bakuthuma ibisi emafetini ukuya isniva.
No, not Steve like ngiyaphuma ngikhetha ngithi emakhuleni. So kusebusuku. Mangimele ngijikela ngijikele khona nina. Mangimele
emafletini.
Angithi yeah, yabona amakhulu esiwadlulile lawa ya. Sidlulela lapha abafanele ngise abafana nabafana. Lawa amakhulu esithenga konke. Kumele uphume ngecomplex. So it is crazy. Okay, Chobi, he was shaking. Ayo, the pussy, what is that? It's a big, it's a gagan.
Was finally lunch box so.
Just lunch box Gorilla Crab.
Gorilla crab.
Gorilla crab.
Yes,
Gorilla great.
It's no meat, Naya Azuta. Yeah, she's.
Like, for example, the Izolip soup. Munu guy uyangishela. And I'm like, usho ukuthi uyangishela. Athi ngisho. Athi ngimhake. Mangimhaka kanjalo, okay sharp, singabuzana.
Hayibo.
Masingabuzana kusasa emini kanti uyangibona ngimbona. Hayi ke uyabona ukuthi anginamabele, okay sharp, I'm gay. Esuka azeke ngathi wayibonga ngitshela ukuthi uyigay. Ngithi hayibo kanti wena uma ungishela bongabona ukuthi ngigay.
So mara wena ngathi awubhaqi. Because the last time ngihlana naye sigome sakhumbula ngimphikisa. Ngithi intombazana leya. Chomi intombazana bathi la igay ngithi girl intombazana bakithi thomozala chomi igay athi ngithi yo.
Intombazana yo.
Kufana nesomdanger.
Somdanger yeah. So manje
Somdakada.
Bese ke kube kusebusuku uguy azeke afune ukungishaya. Ngiba like angeke uzongishaya. Athi uthulahlela impama kuphuma mami ke. Anyeka le then ngahamba.
Manje usabuthi uzobuya futhi.
so manje inkinga ekoshomile ukuthi okay since mabakushela manje do you think with every guy that's ukushela don't intombazana
Like ngiyothini uJomini nabamshela. Uyabatshela abagayi ukuthi I'm gay bese abagayi bamtrust.
Chomi yakhumbula le day ni4 kumele semstova sana.
Yeah, that's good.
Sharp. Masibuye sela lapha kaThembi. Wakhumula lo guy lo wangidonsa.
Bagdona.
Sahamba sona. Uguy masibuya. Abangani bakhe bayamtshela. Kuthi no he's gay. Yobeka shocked uguy. Wavela wahamba.
Akaboni ibhalwe yini amehlo. Yeah, the date was not.
Lesi sindlo
Yo futhi sona lezo mjingiyo.
Bosh
Okay guys, I have been like cishe bangiwe bashing. Like the day bezula kuyimi obi ati fela phukuyaba umkhenkeresh. Okay, sikasibongile. Samkapa okay sharp ati anyeke nesisikasibongile athi uya kumuntu wakhe. Makathi kumuntu wakhe guys like athini obi osehle no obi sithi upho ati ngithi ayi ati uye kumuntu wakhe. Hayi athi obi asamsise kumuntu ka ati nyazi uhlala laphi. Sifike sithi mama wakhe uyamfuna. Hayi ke mosichane lugawa ngafundeka ngafunda hayi ke sambe mase ngithi hayibo gadla ubhuti abantu uthi fika nje ubhuti esithubeni ngiyancamthi like ubhuti ke funa okadayi ubhuti uthi kimi oyi20 ufika uthi nje oyi26 noma oyi27 ngithi angi-understand leyo nto like kudlula umntwana omncane so athi uyabuza ukuthi uyi2006 or uyi2007 ngithi angi-2006 athi okay ngithi ngi-2006 yabo athi okay wathi ugayi kutshomi uhambe umngane wakho uzomthola ngendlela wathi utshomi hayi ngizommela wathi ugayi ngithi hey hamba umngane wakho uzomthola ngendlela nami sengiyancunga utshomi ngithi tshomi hamba tshomi like ngizibona umpala ngithi tshomi hamba utshomi athi tshomi uzongithola kithi-ke hayi ukuhamba kwatshomi uthi ugayi goqa blow job phambi kwabantu ngibe ngithi hayibo ikasti lami like abantu athi ugayi ngithe goqa if awufuni zokukhiphela umesi athi ugayi mina phela ngibuye ejele wena ufuna ukungizwisa lento bekingizwe ejele hayibo sho ukuthi ejele bebamgadlaza
Bamgadlaza wena.
yo ngathi athi ugayi yehla ngithi senyamsakancwa yini ke ngithi okay asamsebe umnyameni senyamdonsa ebumnyameni gadla igidla kabuthumi athi kune truck enye like kumnyama ne bese kuba ne truck hayi ke siyama lapha athi ugayi ngena ke futhi ne truck isimele ngena uyangidonsa ugayi ngebe ngithi ngizophunyuka kanjani ngene egidini lakabo ophi hayi ngithi ima yazi ngisacabanga like aba angidonsa lo bhuti ube nomunye ibhuti lapha eSwirigin uyazama ukusondela asikhuze lo bhuti lo uthi like nami ngiscream ne ngifuna usizo ngathi lo bhuti like mangimemeza uzovela ngigwaza abaleke ngisayithi ngamemeza ngithule hayi ugaya ngidonsa hayi ukungidonsa kwakhe ngapha yena ugaya ephuzile ukungidonsa ngithi isandla sami sathi ngifakele iskipa ngithi isandla sami ngibaleke mangibaleka sho ukuthi ibag yami ngibambe ngale sandla lesi hayi ngibaleke mangibaleka ngigena kabo ophi nya round kuthi ngimemeza ophi ngathi ayithi ngamemeza ngathi mangena kabo ophi uzofuna ukuthi atheka asi2 hayi ngiround kabo ophi mangiround ngiphuma ngegate yena awe ngasethi kabo ophi ngithi angeke ngimele lo muntu uthi ngigijima angigijima ngidlule kwamphuza abantu labo sisabahlanga ngaphitha bathi hayibo uthi umugijimani mangithi ngiyaphumula mangibheke emuva lo bhuti uyangigijimisa ngiyagijima sho ukuthi yena ukhathele ame la kule khona bengime kuyo mangiphumula hayi ame lo bhuti angimi ngiyalanda ngiyagijima one way like akufundeki safuna ukuthi ngiziphunyuka ngemistake hayi ngijime mangigijima ngihlangana nabanye abantu abasekhasi lami bathi Chuyo wena kunini bakufuna kimi ngithi hayi labo nje bafuna nje ukuthi ngiyobayele Shoprite ngithi hayi angine Shoprite mina yabo ayingime nalabantwana laba ngime like ngibabuza umngane wami angikamboni ubabuyi ya sikamboni hayi sime masima nyaba explainele kunobhuti ugqoke kanjena bathi now yo mangithi ngiyambona ilakha kangibonanga nganyuka ngepassage mangithi hayi ngahlangana nomunye umfana yo lo hayi okay ngisaba ukumbulisa bo hayi ngivele ngiyehle futhi ngepassage sengiyamlandela emuva ngiyehle ngepassage hayi ke sengihlangana nomabuyi futhi umngane wami sakabo ophi senyakhala nyakokota kabo ophi vula umnyango hayi avule ophi athi nithi chomi awuzwanga le templates bezidlula sigijima ngathi ophi ngizwile yazi nithi bokuyimi senyakhala chomi like nyakhala yo
awingandini
hayi bochomi Xoxa nomngane wakho ukuzela
Nayakhona ukulala ngayixoxa.
Yeah, get right. Okay, sharp. Uqoqa Chomi. Athi Chomi yezijumi ngizwini. Ngithi Chomi manje bengifuna ukungena ke wathi Chomi ngiqedilwa ngangena kithi Chomi. Waba ibengenile uyazongena kabo asenze strip C2. Futhi bekani ngamrape ophi bekazobe enjoy.
Ophi kezomnika.
Like very like laputini ukuthi ngima avoid yo John like angizange khona nokulala mangifika kithi ukuthi ngimtshele mama ngithi angithi ngamtsheli ngokuthi vele ngistop ukuhamba ebusuku this different stuff ngavela ngathi ngithule ayike ngathula ke kwaqhubeka ke kwaba yi-life istabane ke mangibona umfana ngithi ayike ngivele khijab ngiyasambela bese sengithanda ufaka nje keep it tight ukuthi babone ukuthi something is not wrong like no baba mne wa realize ukuthi awukyal
Tombesa
hayi batha ngiyamsupport lo yini ufuna iscrub top ngizengena wathi nje ukuthengela so yeah ngavela ngathi ukuthi abafana realize bheka umfana uqala before
Yo
ngoba like yabona amakhehla yibona sisaying into is wrong
yo shem
that's why ngajaha ngashinto
Laba so.
Laba, yeah.
yeah like njengalo
Elisengibhekele nake.
Senza today.
but
Yini?
ngena angina job maybe uzofika seningena mara namhlanje kuseni ngibulisile so on yo guys yo my real life yamagay like iyangichaza because like i-vibe man
Kune-vibe.
yabona that's why bathi having a gay like ngizothi ngiyibekela kuma-fish bathi having a gay friend like isibusisi sibuma uNkulunkulu vele like ngoba like giba lithi vibe man and the thing ucala mwenze yimi ukuthi abe legile namphela umngane mbekanga ungasigay ama-crop top like umngane ungavele ngathi man Chomi umzimba kuyakuvumela
Umuhle hle.
umzimba wakhe ngathi umzimba wakhe uyamvumela man angijaphu umngane macala sama crop top angijaphu
When wenze 80.
No,
sithuze into 8
no, you know, asenzanga muntu Chuma. I don't want to put it in the wrong way. Do you realize when you mawuye esikolweni first day of school, it's hard to express yourself to people, to people like around. Like Nami first day esikolweni, guys, I wasn't like Chomi.
I was like
and all the boys, but you feeling you break it so I can't I'll put back like I was Chomi, so that's why and Mina, I also let time so Chomi come and California Park. It was the first time in Kalala, so it was just being time to can't get a shovel it was like a king man. I think when you come here it was like Abangazi, you know, so what wasn't free. He wasn't free, like he was too close thing. He wasn't close, like but
we are combined.
So the time masses slangana song, we just boost ourselves up. We felt like no release
Compliment each other.
oh you see
That's how I feel.
that's how it is.
Let's go with the room.
Yati zuga gude
So Marabina actually like Marabina guys.
What's the time?
She said, "Oh, cute that one." In Shutenai.
Oh, lawyer, Mr. Yo, muhle lawyer.
Marinking uthi guys need to be honest me. That was the low angfundisa ukuthi ezingitamana azikho right guys. Loya na wathatha impahla zakhe.
angafuni
Yo guys, like inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu and ushuta ngazo ngimibhekile. It's fine mara.
Namanje.
Namanje maybe it's
So on December.
Lesiyasikokayo. Esami.
Opera ngaso ugcina
Amancane. Esami.
Chomamela
Izinto zami ene ngayejozi Chomi.
saye Jozi C3
Akafu.
kuyimo obu adi some text sathi Chomi sila Jozi icole ethi impahla uChomi aba offline wathi Chomi ngeza ngisageza samela baba offline
Chomi otsiba mas like udula flatting na then uchintshitse so mafika I don't even know who to change or what but yo umuntu posta into zamanye I thought like because bese groove intombazane ithi Chomi lesa skate now and I'm not saying Chomi but Chomi okay sharp it's nike Chomi then I wouldn't say after groove Chomi khulula uyishema so hamba uthi Chomi let me go with like Chomi I know Chomi
Gogile yeah.
Chomi hamba yo uChomi until the day Chomi buyisa izinto Chomi ngizoziletha Chomi buyisa izinto ngizoziletha okay sharp Chomi ngiyeza ke ngizozilanda Chomi ngiyakunetball yo okay sharp
Manje why were you relocating Kanje? You went from Tiafanten to Freedom Park to all those.
it was just a lot Chomi because it was just my family issues Chomi so I didn't have to I couldn't stay there because mangala no baba me it was like go to your auntie mama thamba hlala no auntie safuna ukulungisa so I was like going there but now since I know my mom like it was just a huge
When the family elders.
I know auntie amhlala lapho
okay Chomi ukubuza ke kini ningakhita bani like Chomi like
C2. Yeah. And if I mean, same father. Sure, Baba, we both gay. But yeah, he's still in the closet.
So for me, so out.
I'm living the life, you know. Yeah.
Yo, mina githi there's a couple, you know. It's just a mixture of LGBT. Kuba yimi, kube no-cousin wami omdala like wase-Cape Town. Kube khona nomunye lana yena ke ules, you know, usakhula, you know. Yeah, things like that. Then there's I'm kidding me not talk about that because Nayaga's totally so yeah. Couple.
Jimmy.
See, tree.
Need three.
Like angithi like kuma mam no babam si2 and then esedini la babam uyi1
Hey, Baba Kuya.
like a family.
Oh.
Ita vanezing like me too.
Ogini too. Which means ukululeko now. Okay, ja. Obi.
Unkululeko ungakanani mntana? Unkululeko. Umntana kini? Nyamazi unkululeko.
Jana kethembi.
Kathembi.
Hayi, mabela uzojayela kwaZe.
Mina ngiwani kithi guys, ngistabane mastabene ngiwani.
Stabane
Mama, I'm the first born Babane nje. Ngiwani. No, I'm khona just yeah.
Okay, mina guys, ngizothini? Ngiwane mara my father unje ukuthi kunomunye like cousin yami oyigay mara like angimazi ngimazela ku TikTok. So yeah, njalo. So yeah, I would like ngizothini ngingampost ngathi like ngizothini baba miyanga accept as gay yabo. So yena baba klesi ngam acceptile sibashuta boy2 ngathi I wish my father could be like it. Hayi baba mathi owakini lo muntu. Okay. Hayithi then ke ngicela ukuthi okay shall too.
You know I have a friend that looks exactly like you. Ngizomletha la kule podcast.
Fana nami
Straight. Everything. Body, face. That's why I'm looking at you like this. I've been
hey, tala football lethu nakusithula.
Yo niyafana ngizomletha uzombona and it's also okay.
Man come like
Star Fire Facebook.
Star fire. Star fire.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay guys, that's the end of the show. So anybody wants to give the word of the day?
Okay guys, the word of the day withi live a life ningasabi ukuyifihla or ningasabi ukuyikhipha like iba istubborn mastabeni or nama like guys ne manifuna ukuyifihla coka amaphinto abantwana bakini ngizoyifihla
Word of the day. Gay child, live your life to the fullest.
Yeah.
No, all I'm gonna say is it's surpassing. Oh, surpassing God. Surpassing. Oh,
Just live your life and be happy, man. Ish. Yeah.
Obi O'Brien.
Guys, get your own way, get differently. Yeah, sure.
Sivala kanjalo.
Nje.
Why is that?